There are hundreds of people who join us and leave us in the journey of our life, but there are few eye-catchy people who we remember forever. These are the people on whom everyone's eye is, from the very moment they enter the room. This has nothing to do with beauty standards, but definitely the personality they have. According to Mehrabian, the three elements account differently for our liking for the person: verbal, that is words, account for 7%, vocal, that is tone of voice, accounts for 38%, and visual, that is facial expression, accounts for 55% of the liking. In this crash course, we will be studying what is personality, good body language, art of conversation, the ways to improve all the three V's of the 7%, 38%, 55% rule, ways to overcome stage fright, food etiquette, and much more. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. I am Priyanka Lerner. I am certified in the study of personality development and communication. I will be your guide in this journey to become a charismatic personality. See you in the first episode.